Head over there and see Betty. Let's start living again. Let's go, Ira. Let's start living again. I'm there. Let's start living again. Keep on living. Let's start living.
This is called Let's Start Living Again. It's a 32 counts, 4/4, beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Right, rock back, recover. Side shuffle on right, left, right. Left foot, rock back, recover. Side shuffle on left, right, left. Section 2, right foot, cross, back on left, side step right, cross step left. Monterey quarter turn right, point right to right. Make a quarter right turn, stepping right next to left. Point left to left, step together on left. You're now facing 3. Section 3, rocking chair. Right foot, rock forward, recover. Rock back, recover. Quarter right turn, facing 6, side step right. Step left to left side. Step right behind, sweep left from front to back. Section 4. Behind, side, left foot cross, rock, recover. Side, quarter right turn, way onto right foot, facing 9. Shuffle half turn right, on left, right, left, facing 3. And begin to dance again. Let me walk through the steps with counts. Weight is on the left foot. Section 1, back rock. 1, 2, side shuffle. 3 and 4, back rock. 5, 6, side shuffle. 7 and 8. Section 2, cross, back, side, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Monterey quarter right turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, rocking chair. 4 rock, back rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter right side. 5, 6. Behind sweep. 7, 8. Section 4, behind side. 1, 2, cross rock, recover. 3, 4. Side 5, quarter turn right 6. Shuffle half turn right. 7 and 8. We'll just do the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,